In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag on PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you really want to do, there's a few different methods, but all you want to do firstly is make sure whenever you press your PlayStation button, make sure you don't have several games open. If you go to your switcher, if you have any active games, and let's say you have Roblox open, Fortnite, Skate, and a lot of different games open, you want to just press and close any of the ones that you have open that you're not playing. The reason is if you have multiple things open in the background, it's going to take away your ping and your good internet connection from the main game you're playing. Now, what you want to do after that is go to settings on the top right. Then once you're here, go to network, which is the first tab you're usually on, and then go to settings right here. Make sure connect to the internet is enabled, of course, then go to set up internet connection. Now, the very best way to fix any lag or any performance issues you're having with your internet is just make sure you're on a wired Ethernet connection. That's the best way. A wired LAN is the best way to get the highest speeds from your router. Now, obviously, if you're on like Wi-Fi or anything like that, what you could do is press the options button on whichever Wi-Fi you're using, go to advanced settings. Then when you scroll down, you want to go to DNS settings. Right now mine's automatic, but you can switch it to manual, and I'd recommend in primary typing in 8888, just like so. And then what you want to do is go to secondary DNS and type in 8844. Once you do that, it's going to basically connect to Google's DNS server. Then you should get more stable internet as well. But again, wired LAN is always the best route to go.